Hello everyone, have a great day! Okay, before we start, don't forget to click subscribe and like our videos. Right now, this video contains the compilation of all my downlines or sa team ko na nakapag-withdraw, at ito yung proof nila together with their proof, with their receipts or withdrawal, tawag ito yung nakalagay na success. Okay, and hindi po ito lahat, bale, iilan lang kasi yung iba sinasabi, Teach, camera shy ako, sorry na. Okay, wag na nating pilitin. Okay, so, iilan ito sila, then, may student ba dito? I'm not sure kung may student dito, but most of them are professionals din. So, before then, okay, marami kasing nag-request na magpa-shout out! Okay, most of them, hindi most, lahat pala, lahat sa kanila, mga lalaki, mga burako, hello mga sir! Okay, actually, marami-rami ito sila, pero, wala kasi akong idea ano yung mga shout-out because it's, first time ko kasi mag-vlog, mag-YouTube. Then, yung mga nauna, sorry, I tried to locate, hindi ko na po makita yung mga names nyo. So, ito na sila yung naiwan. Hello to Sir JM Laya. Hi, sir. Shout. Paano ba mag-shoutout? Hello. Okay po, papakita ko yung mga mukha nila. Hello to Mr. Roldan Jose Jr. from Davao City. Hi, Sir Pizio. And hello to Sir Wenshin Roy. Shing. O, yung cat ni Sir no. Tada! And thank you sa mga supports ninyo. Then, thank you sa lahat. And eto na, let's start our videos and enjoy watching. Tada! Peekaboo! Bye-bye! Okay, let's start with my withdrawal. First withdrawal ko is 1,000 last 1 month ago. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga transactions ko. Then, my next second withdrawal is, saan ba? My second withdrawal is 10,000, which is 1 month ago pa rin. Okay, next. Hinahanap ko kasi. Wait lang ha. My next withdrawal, third. Okay, my next withdrawal here is 20,000 2 weeks ago. And my fourth withdrawal is, eto, 20,000 pa rin 6 days ago. And kani-kanina lang, October 19, 2021, I've got my 5th withdrawal, 20,000 pa rin. So, I'm still waiting right now and I'll give you all my feedbacks. So, lahat ng withdrawal ko, nakikita nyo dyan sa screen, lahat ng yan, nasa channel ko pa rin. Lahat ng procedures, lahat ng mga twists and everything on how to withdraw, andyan lahat sa channel ko. And enjoy watching for the rest of my team. Mwah! Sarale!
Hello, ka-A+. My name is Myrene and I am a 5-1 talk teacher and also a member of A+ for about 3 weeks. Okay, so VIP 1 pa lang po ako ngayon, pero nakapag-withdraw na po ako ng 2 beses. So my first withdraw is 800 pesos. My second withdraw is 3,250 pesos. Wow, o diba? So, meron po akong video dyan. And makikita natin yan mamaya. And then, let's aim for VIP 2 and VIP 3. Okay, so, aja guys, we can do it. And just trust the company. And let's do our part as a member. Okay, so, that's all guys. So, thank you and happy earnings. Bye-bye.
Hi. My name is RJ Makalintal. May own business kami. Nagsimula ako dito sa A+, September 24. And then, the next day, nag-VIP 1 na agad ako. And then, yung kinikita ko, nag-withdraw ako ng 500. Yung kinikita ko na dito ngayon is nasa 2,700. So, road to VIP 2. Happy A+.
Hi!
Hi everyone, my name is Blessy and I am a full-time wife and a 5-1 talk teacher too. I've been in A+ for 49 days to be exact, and my first withdrawal was September 29, amounting to 8,500. In an average, yung daily income ko sa A+ is nasa 350 to 400 pesos. Mas malaki pa yung income ko sa A+ back then when I was working in a bank. So, what are you waiting for? Come na and let's earn together. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Cloyd A. Alvarado and I am a VIP 3 of A+ company. For my current balance for today is 50,000 and counting, with the commission of 1,700 in counting, in God praise. With my experience, I already withdraw 14,500 and I will attach those following screenshots and documents for that as approved. And I'm already for 39 days from the day of registration, and I'm so glad having experience of A+ company, and now I'm planning to have a regular job for this kind of platform, the very source of my income and the hopes of my family. Thank you so much, and I'm encouraging you to engage in this platform for the better life, for the change of life. Goodbye. Happy grabbing.
Hello! I'm a 5-1 talk teacher at sa ngayon, matumad yung aming booking. Mabuti na lang nasumpungan ko itong A+ sa pamamagitan ni Claire, yung upline ko. At ngayon, wala pa akong isang buwan dito sa A+, pero ang pera ko ay nasa 7,000 na. Kaya talagang totoo ang A+. So, I encourage everyone, sige lang, join lang kayo. Walang masama, hindi nga malaki, pero palaki ng palaki. Happy A+ everyone!
Hi, I am ML. I am a housewife and a 5-1 talk teacher and A+ member for 34 days. I got my first withdrawal today and hindi bababa sa 200 ang daily earnings ko. Yun lang, and happy grabbing! Thank you!
Hi everyone! Lalong-lalo na sa mga ka-A+ member ko. My name is Chessa May T. Embati. Nag 1 month na po ako sa A+. Yes po, tama. A+ member po ako. At the same time, isang small YouTuber. Kung gusto niyo pong mag-subscribe, here's my channel. Subscribe na po kayo. At pa-subscribe na din sa aking upline na si Ma'am Beverly. At the same time, isa po siyang admin. So, marami po tayong matutunan sa mga videos niya. So, please subscribe sa channel niya. Ngayon po, ipapakita ko lang naman yung payout, proof of payout ko sa A+. So, naka-first payout na po ako sa main account ko at naka-payout na rin po ako ng isang beses sa second account ko. So, ito po yung mga proof ko. Ipapakita ko yung success. So, thank you mga ka-A+, at sa mga hindi pa A+ member, baka gusto niyo na pong magpa-member. So, happy earnings!
Hello everyone, I am Jobber De La Cruz. I took a Bachelor of Science in Cruise Ship Management, but currently I am an English teacher in 5-1 Talk. Also, I am a A+ member for a month. So, in this platform, meron po akong multiple accounts. So, yung main account ko is VIP 3 and it earned 103,087.72 pesos. And nakapag-withdraw na po ako twice, 10,000 each. And today, I withdrawed 5,700 to my 7 accounts. Pumasok na po siya sa bangko and the total is 45,600 minus ng 18% yung tax deduction, so it come up with 37,392. So actually guys, my journey in A+ was so fantastic, and I believe that life is a precious gift from God. So spend your time to the things that you want to do. So what are you waiting for? So join the A+ community and let's earn together. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, and yan pa lahat yung mga na-compile natin na videos from our team. Now, if you want to join or if you want to make your own video, then gusto mong ipa-compile din sa channel ko, then send your video to me. Yun yung mga guide natin. And we will compile all your videos para maipakita natin sa mga taong in-invite mo. For them to trust you and to trust the company kasi nakikita nila na kumikita talaga tayo dito. Ito yung isa sa mga way na para ma-prove natin sa kanila na legit yung ginagawa natin. So, if you want na ma-publish ko yung mukha mo, yung video mo, yung proof mo, then send mo sa akin privately kung mahiya ka. Then, Beverly Alvarado LPT. Nandito sa screen. Okay, and I love you. Tada! Bye-bye! Happy earning, everyone!